I'm experimenting for dinner tonight. You guys will never guess what we're gonna have. Ready? Oh yeah, we're trying this again. This is the Carbonara Buldak spicy ramen noodles, except for we're not putting the spicy packet in. Like, probably none. And believe it or not, this was Rick's idea. He said to like maybe throw some broccoli or something in there. So I found this vegetable medley that I'm gonna add to there. And then I wanted to make this more of like a meal. So I'm gonna add some beef smoked sausage too. I'm gonna cut this up first. I actually got new knives and cutting boards for Christmas. They're still in the boxes over here. I just haven't had time. We left on vacation immediately after. All right. Whoa. Come on. Okay. You want back in already, Harley? Goodness gracious. This dog is enjoying having us back.
Hey, don't. That's it.
After dinner. Okay, I'm gonna add this to my pan. And I'm also gonna add these veggies right in. And then I'm gonna cover this with water. Alright, I'm just gonna like bring this to a light boil and simmer it till it's cooked. Then I'm gonna boil some water for the noodles. This got done before my water boiled. I'm gonna try to cut up some of these veggies smaller. I don't want to scrape my pan. Okay, I'm gonna strain this in a minute. I'm gonna do 3 of these packets for my family of 6. We don't like the spice packet. Alright, now I think these are supposed to cook for like 5 minutes. Yeah, cook for 5 minutes. We might do like 4.5 minutes. I'm gonna return it to the pan. I think I'm gonna add like the noodles and everything in here and just mix it up all together. Okay. Noodles. Looks good. I'm gonna add in just this carbonara cheese powder. I don't think this has any spice in it. I guess we're gonna find out. It says, oh, I forgot to save some water from out of there. Oops, I was totally supposed to do that. I feel like I cannot go wrong with butter. And then I think I'm gonna add some milk.
Mom, I want mac and cheese. I want it down.
And I know I want to add soy sauce to this also. I think it's looking good.
Mom, I was faking. I was pranking you.
You were just pranking me by whining?
Yeah.
Thanks. I love that. Okay, sampling a noodle. It's good. I feel like I want a tiny bit of the spice though. I hope I'm not ruining this. Holding my breath right here. I'm adding just a little squirt. A little squirt. I feel like I need more milk.
Darren, come here.
Alright, here's what it looks like. I think it looks really yummy, but we're gonna see if my family approves. Hey, I think this is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
You like it, Darren? I like it. Kova, did you try your noodles?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? You can tell me if you don't.
I do.
Oh, okay. Sounds like everybody liked it. We'll probably make this again, actually. I mean, I like it enough to make it again.
That's a 8.5 out of 10.
8.5
Very
out of 10?
Very solid meal, yeah.
I think it's 8.9. 8.9? What are you going to rate it, Bria?
I say 9.6. 9 out of 10.
The only opinion here was that I didn't make enough, so be making more next time.